Welcome to Tiffany's, where we are creating beautiful moments for our family and friends to enjoy. In this video, I'm showing you how to create this gold, white, and black graduation balloon garlands. I have two graduation parties to do tomorrow, and I needed to at least get one of the parties' balloons blown up. So I'm going to be doing that and creating the garland and all that jazz. So let me show you guys what I have for it. And they're literally from the same area. Both of them are in my neighborhood. They have the same color. So I have to make sure both of these look completely different from each other. The backdrops are totally different, but one of the students pretty much just wants gold and black. The colors are gold, black, and white. And the other student just wants a good blend of all three. I have, let me see, Party City balloons, because these were kind of last minute parties, so didn't have time to order anything. So I got 2 packs of 5-inch gold for the first party, 2 bags of 12-inch black, 2 bags of 12-inch white, 2 bags of 12-inch gold, and then I got these 24-inch, 3 of those gold. And they actually provided me with the foil numbers for 2021. So because this 0 is a double chamber, it took a little while for the second chamber to inflate. So later you're going to see me actually using a straw to inflate it manually. I did switch machines because this one has a nozzle that's a little wider than the yellow machine that you're going to see soon. It made it easier to get the air through. So be careful when using foil balloons because there's an inner sealant that will pop if you overinflate it or inflate it too quickly. So a lot of people don't like to use the machines, but it just would have taken so long because these were so large. So yeah, just a word of caution for those. And because this is going to be outside in the humidity, even though it's going to be shaded and inside the garage, I'm only inflating these like partially because they're going to expand and don't want them to pop. So I'm double stuffing, and the way you do that is you get a straw or something that fits within the balloon itself. And I don't even remember which one I stretched. You want to stretch the latex, so you put slide on one and then slide on the second one. And this will create a double stuffed balloon. And it's also how you create custom colors by blending 2 different colors. So there we go for my outdoor engagement using Party City balloons for extra security. So you guys, I got my gold 5-inch balloons. So this is the 5-inch hole right here. I am not, because they're going outside, look, they're all really, really super small. They are more like 3 inches. They are, I would say 3.5 inch because this is a 4, this is a 3. So they're 3.5 inches. So I blew them up really small, and I had to undouble stuff them because they won't blow up. These 5-inch ones would not blow up double stuff. So we're gonna hope and pray that they last in the heat. So I want to make sure I did not inflate them all the way. So now I'm going to make my clusters to fill in the gaps in my balloons. And there's going to be 1 cluster on this end and 1 cluster on this end. So I have my doubles here, in black, gold, and white. It looks like pearl. These are all pearlized. The gold is pearlized, the black is pearlized, the white is pearlized. These actually, and of course, the numbers. I do have the large 24s. I'm going to wait until tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to wait till the day of to blow those up. Because I want to see how they do in the heat, because I need them to be as large as possible without popping. So I'm going to blow those up in the heat. So I'm going to try something different this time. Instead of starting out with my 260, I'm just tying the necks. These are the necks. I'm tying them together. Taking the neck here, the longest one that I can find, and connecting it to this neck and tying it together. Well, you guys, the sun has come up. It is now 6:19, and there's the sun. Here comes the sun. Doo, 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 doo. So this is gonna be my first time using fishing wire. So I got this from Amazon. It came free in a pack. This is what it is. So I want to see what it's going to be like. Because here you can cut your fingers, you can cut the balloons and all that stuff, but I really want this to be seamless, especially because I have the white balloons. I don't want to see 260s on the middle, so I'm going to use this 260. This is not tight enough for me. I love the transparency of it, but it doesn't feel tight enough, and it's just too slippery. I don't know if that's your experience, but yeah, I'm gonna have to do something else. It's pretty. Look at how clear it is. You can't see anything. I love that. But yeah, I can't deal with it. So it's a wrap. Yay! How do you guys like it? So the battery on the camera died, so I wasn't able to get all of the footage of me building this, and I was in such a hurry, so I apologize, you guys, for not having that extra footage for you here on site. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.